Hari here. Okay, he's from Canada. So hi Hari sir.
Hello, doctor.
Hi sir. So நீங்க கனடால இருந்து வந்த reason for something, but dentalka in front teethல you are not having some teeth.
Yes, I was using the denture.
Yeah, you're using a removable one.
Removable one.
நீங்க one thing is you have done some implants at the back.
At the back, yes.
Yes, at Canada.
Yeah, in Canada.
And how long was the process?
Yeah, it took about 6 months.
6 months
for healing itself.
Okay, and then
yes,
and also I think they opened up the gums
and did the drilling and then stitching again, and then remove the stitching. Wow.
Okay. Now you have done some implants here at our center at Gift Smile.
Yes.
So I think in how many days we have completed your procedure?
Just 2 days. First day implant panninga, second day fix panning.
Okay, that's almost like in a span of 2 to 4 days.
Yeah.
He got his implant done, and you got your zirconia crowns also fixed teeth, which
Fixed
got immediately.
Yes.
So he is one of a client where we gave him an immediate implant. So implants, you don't have to necessarily wait for almost like 4 to 6 months to get your teeth. For all your immediate implants, we have a solution at Gift Smile Dental. So because time is constrained from because he's from Canada and he has to fly back. So probably we finish his treatment in less than 4 days. So I hope your teeth is fixed right now.
Yes.
So happy chewing.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, and you have to take care of it.